Right, so this is one I get questions about all the time. You keep asking, what ETFs can you invest in? Now, my name's Ayo. I do personal finance content, so if that's interesting, follow for more. This is not financial advice. It's just making you aware of some of the better performing ETFs that are out there. Let me start off with the most obvious one. I'm sure a lot of you are expecting it, the S&P 500. This is a combination of the 500 biggest companies in the US. Average returns over the past 10 years are about 13 to 15%. Next one up is the Vanguard Total Stock Market, which covers the entirety of the US stock market. Average returns on this one, 13.5 to 15.5%. Next up is the Invesco QQQ Trust, which tracks the NASDAQ 100, 100 of the biggest non-financial stocks on the NASDAQ. Average returns for this, 18 to 20% over the past 10 years. Next up is the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, that was a mouthful, which focuses on companies with strong and consistent dividend payments. So this one's a bit more of a slower burner. Average returns over the past 10 years have been 11 to 12.7%, but great for people looking for dividends. And I bet the next question is, what are dividends? Google it. And then we have this one that I'm not even going to try to say the name of because that's just very long. But what's good about this is it focuses outside of the US. A lot of the ones I've mentioned so far are very US centric. So this is looking at emerging markets, Europe, Asia, and so on. And a great way to diversify, because you don't want to have everything tied up in the US. And then, anyway, let's not talk about that. But average returns over the past 10 years have been 10%, which may not be as exciting as the others, but who knows what the future holds. I do want to say a little caveat here. Past performance does not indicate what the future will be like. So if you're saying, oh, it's been good in the past, it must be good in the future, not necessarily true. Please be aware of that. Follow for more.